guys, I'm back and I'm happy that you are back here as well with me and my nail fantasy. Let's have fun with our nails in 2018 as well. I hope you all had a great start into the new year. Happy New Year to all of you. I would be thrilled if you continue watching my videos and commenting and liking and all the good stuff in this year as well. This is my first video and it's gonna be a hit the bottle nail polish haul, but there is something special about that. I'm gonna tell you in a moment. First, I'm gonna show you how nicely I got my package all the way from down under, directly from Michelle from Hit the Bottle. Thank you so much, Michelle. So she always does on the back side of the packages a little nice design. This time it's ladybugs. Then you open it, and of course I already unwrapped them all. They are all wrapped individually in these little tissues, and then she puts them in plastic bags like this one here, and then she even seals the bottles with a little glue here so they cannot really open and spill during transport. I have 8 polishes here. This one is special, I tell you in a minute. Suspense, suspense. And she also gave me this cute stamping plate as a gift. Really pretty plate for spring. And I will swatch with this plate, so you're gonna see the designs when I swatch them. And now I'm gonna show you the individual polishes first before I swatch them for you. This one is the special one, I told you already. This one is the neon pink. And last year, when Michelle came out with the neon series of her stamping polishes, she had a competition to name each individual polish. You could enter name suggestions, and if your name was selected for the polish, you win one of her polish bottles. In this case, I won the pink neon, and this is what I named it. I pink, therefore I am. She always has this funny names. The more fun, the better. I just came up with that and she liked it, and the other people on the Facebook group liked it, so I won that and I'm so happy. This is this gorgeous neon pink, and the camera doesn't do it justice. It's really, really bright. It's a wonderful, gorgeous pink color. You will see it in action in a moment. Let's see what else we have. Then I have another neon color. This one is Seize the Day, and it is a wonderful greenish but ocean greenish color. I love this ocean blue and ocean greens, isn't it pretty? Then we have the Shazam Yellow, and it's really bright. Look how bright that is. And the last of the neons I got is the High Voltage Violet. And this one is a purple, really bright neon purple. I got some more polishes which I had on my wish list, and since she was sending me this one, I ordered all the others. It was worth sending a package from all the way from Australia to me. We have this one here, it's Calypso Gold, pretty gold metal shiny polish. Usually all her polishes are shiny. And then we have the Aubergine purple. You know I love my purples. And this one is so pretty. It even has almost a multi-chrome to it. It almost shimmers in gold here when you turn it. Then I have the last of the stamping polishes. This one is Shadows of Darkness, and it's a black shimmery stamping polish. I recently talked to her on Facebook. She is such a nice lady, really. She always answers to everything. She asked people what they wanted to have as a product in 2018. I asked her to come up with a really black holographic stamping polish. And she told me, yeah, she thought about that as well. The problem is that the holo particles are silvery grayish, and then when you put them in a black polish, they never come out that black as we all want them to be. But she told me she is gonna try, and I'm sure if somebody comes up with a really highly black pigmented stamping polish, it will be Michelle. And then I have another one of her regular polishes. I think this one she made for Christmas. This is the Flaming Plum Pudding, and I really like it. It's also a nice winter color, and you can see all these flakies. It's a copper brownish color and has middle and tiny sized glitters in it. So we will swatch that one as well, and I will go into the swatches. And no changes from last year. I will speed up the video, so sit back, relax and enjoy, and I see you afterwards with the finished swatches.
guys, I'm back. I have stamped everything and they work
perfectly. The colors are so bright and gorgeous. Look, all these neons here. But also the darker colors, they even stamp on the black. I will put close-up pictures at the end of the video so you can see how interesting this effect with the aubergine and the shadow of darkness even on the black polish is. It's worth doing that once in a while if you don't want to have something that's totally in your face. It's also worth mentioning that you really don't need much to use these stamping polishes. A little goes a long way. These polishes will last you a long time. They're all really stunning. It is hard to pick a favorite, but you can already guess which my favorite one is of these, right? Of course, it's my pink one. The I pink, therefore I am. But I also love the aubergine. Of course, I'm a purple girl, so this one is so pretty. Thanks again to Michelle for getting these polishes to me all the way from down under. I almost forgot the flaming plum pudding here. Look at that. I put top coat on it. It's very smooth finish. I love this effect and I will use it soon in a nail art. I have already an idea for that. Tell me which one is your favorite out of these here. It's really hard, I know. That was it for this video. If you have any further questions or comments, please leave them also in the comments box below. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. There will be a bubble with my picture up here. Just click on that. This doesn't cost you anything and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are, and ta-ta till next time.